Here comes our train, the express train. So many people. There it is. We have a nice Subaru downstairs. One of the first cars is outside. 934 expired. Moby Dick inspired. Almost there. Let's go to Liberty Walk. A very gold GR Corolla with a body kit. Toyota spec. Oh my god, look at the crowd. We're gonna start for haul number 1 of I think 12 or something. Look at this M3 wagon, the wheels. A very purple M4. Look at the interior too. Actually very nice, even with the wheel and wing. 3D design. What are they taking a photo of? ID GTI concept. AMG GT3 at the Toyo Tires booth. A little lucky draw at the Toyo Tires booth. The light is overexposed on the wheels. They are not camera shy. Nice Diablo sitting out of Austin's. M2 CS in this bluish purple. Dark sea blue GT3 RS with these looking wheels. Really nice. Brabus Kit Rolls Royce Cullinan. Very subtle with the green carbon and color match wheels. What are your thoughts about this small nostril? 2 white ChoroQ GTs with a lot of carbon. Best of the best altogether. So cool. You can see this car from space. Now that is carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, all carbon fiber. This full carbon wide body R33 was a SEMA last year, or sorry, 2 years ago, 2024. It fades from red to black carbon in the back. We're back in the 2000s, baby. Corvette Z06 here in Japan with ceramic brakes. It's right-hand drive, meaning a right-hand drive market, and the exhaust for the Z06 are on the side as opposed to the American market, which are 4 in the middle. But the engine is still a Z06 engine. What in the garden hose is going on? The Crown Sport, basically a Purosangue. Off-road GR86, sick. And another one too. Hey, that looks like a race version with a bash bar though. Polished gold and polished silver is sick. These are pretty cool. Look at the exhaust too. All the uncles are gathered around here. Prelude HRC concept. It looks so nice. Type R HRC concept. You can see the new arrow bit all over the car. And over here we have the HRC Prelude GT. I think this is like the GT500 or something in the Japan GTC challenge. But look at all the aerodynamic bits. Crazy. This is a K-Car Supra based on the Daihatsu Copenhagen. AMG1 at the Petronas booth. This wasn't here last year. Really cool. Kind of looks like a Stingray in the front. But that Mercedes badge is actually painted. Very, very blue R34s. Not sure what this is, but kind of looks like a Murcielago. Really can't tell what this is. This is a Alltech R33 GT-R like mine, except more hot boy. Final year Millennium JT spec. Top secret wheels with Nissan carbon ceramic brakes. Very nice. Porsche 959 at the Auto Salon is weird. What's that race cars? R35 Super GT race car. Exhaust coming out the side. It looks like an S15, but I don't think it's an S15 because the back is a little bit sus. But over here, there is this super big weave Lotus. Pretty crazy. This is a, I think, RX-7, but it's got Corvette C5 taillights, and look at the suspension in the back. Crazy. What are these? This was cool, but what is that? Manti Racing livery. It looks like a ChoroQ car, but it's not. It's a mini R32 based on a K car. Look how small it is.
Thank you.
Almost looks like a toy car, but it's not a real car. Hey look, it's all of you, but GT3 RS form. Acura muffler, damn. A very cool art challenger here. All the gold cars of Top Secret. Insane. RX-7, Supra, the R33 GT-R. Look at the cam covers are also cool. Here we have a gray Top Secret R32 and a gold one, and those are much more gold than the ones over here. final Euro R35 with color matching wheels. Nice. But why is there a green car? This Supra has a VR38 inside. That's this R35 GT-R engine. Interesting. Matte white NSX. Matte white 911. Whoa, look at those Hot Wheels. Final year HKS R35. 3 more hauls to go. 1 hour left. Full aluminum 280Z. Very nice. This is a Toyota 8.6, but the front has been modified to like the 8.6. The 400R that was in California with me 2 years ago. Now it's here in Japan. So many people. Finally, the GR GT in the flesh. The front is pretty long compared to the back. GR GT's naked drivetrain. Look at the filters up there and the turbos. Carbon fiber drive shaft with single piston calipers in the back. Interesting. The new special edition GR Yaris, 1 of 200. Carbon fiber, new wheels, new wing in the back. Check out the back. Look at the wing. It's so interesting. It just curves up like that. We found Hans's 886 again with some competition. All the people, now we know why. 962 over here in this really nice Cultra booth. That's the front. Looks nice and white. Purple R34 and this NSX with stickered up headlights. Actually looks pretty cool. It looks like a new Prelude. Might be the best booth over here. We got the GT-R collection. This is where I bought my R34 from like almost 7-8 years ago. We have an active red R34, super rare, only in Series 1. V-Spec 2 NUR. I don't know if this has been a CRS-fied, but it's a V-Spec 2 NUR and a midnight purple version of it. Nice. The 3 best examples of the R34. I think this is a Group A race car. Full cage inside, right-hand drive. Yep, 1990s Group A. This one as well, the Calsonic livery, the iconic one. But this is 1993 Group A. V-Spec R33 with LMG2. These are so expensive. Tommy Kaira full Spec R white. Interesting. Never seen this before. RB26s and the VR38. And what the heck is this? Manhattan? SLS GT3 in Hatsune Miku livery. Sick. A K car modified into a mini NSX. Even with a Honda badge. Pretty sick. E60 AMG here. Wow. 6-liter 500E basically. Marlboro RX-7. Nice. Evo 9 wagon.
Unless I still have to plan to sell it, which is